Welcome back, fellas, into this new video of TechExpress. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started linking your EA account to your PlayStation Network account. So the first thing I wanted to do is to go directly into the PlayStation.com. Inside here, what I wanted to do here is to make sure that I am into the right country in order to continue. So the first thing is to sign in. I'm going to do this really fast. So once you are directly into the sign-in version of the PlayStation, you're going to open a new tab and I'm going to go for the EA game on my actual element. Now you can do this inside your into your PlayStation. You can do this into your computer, or you can even do this directly into your local device. So the first thing I want to do here is to go for the EA.com. So EA game into my PlayStation should be looking a little bit like this when I sign in. Usually what I do is to make sure that I'm using exactly the same email account in order to continue, and I don't have an actual trouble there signing in. So I'm going to go into my account settings, and here is my actual sign in into my EA account. Right, so I'm going to go for my actual passcode and I'm going to sign in. And right now I am directly inside here. Once you are directly into your EA account, what you want to do is to focus into the left section that says connected accounts. Here you can check out all the actual accounts that are linked through your EA account. So what you want to do is to scroll a little bit down and look out for the element that says not linked. Just like that, you're going to be looking for the one that says the PlayStation Network. So for this, I'm going to head over for the option that says continue. To make this process a little bit much more faster, I strongly recommend you guys to sign in previously into your PlayStation account, so that when your PlayStation is signed in and you click into the option that says continue, the actual, let's say the PlayStation or the EIA account will be automatically checking out that your PlayStation is going to be appearing directly inside here. The only thing that you just need to do is to hit into the option that says linked accounts, and just like that, it's going to appear directly now the PlayStation Network connected just like that. Now sometimes it appears like this PSN account is already linked to another EA account. Now don't worry, this is the number one problem players faces. So EA only allows you to link one PSN account to one time in its lifetime. So what you need to do is to unlink an account and move it into an actual new one. So in my case, if I clicked previously into connected accounts and I see that there's a PlayStation Network account that appears directly here that is not mine, or I don't want to use this anymore, then I needed to click into the element that says unlinked and click into the element that says linked once more in order to have access directly inside there. So just like that, the actual element will be connected right away. So there you have it, guys. It was a really easily solution. So just in case you have any questions, you can let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you want to see more great tools like this, you can check out our actual videos into YouTube. So thank you once again for watching, guys, and see you next time.